This way, Mullahs, the trial never begins because they keep on saying that they are investigating. So they delay the trial and keep me in custody. This is the problem, Mullahs. And the high.
Please.
Yes, please.
My Lord, as far as 30 is concerned, Your Lordship, we had sought liberty. Your Lordship had granted liberty, and these are challenges in relation to Section 50 and 63, the constitutional challenges, which Your Lordship said that we should separate this from the main petition.
Why to file separate petition, Mr. Hariharan? We can hear you and all other concerning the other matters.
My Lord,
What will happen is that they will keep on.
Your Lordship could tag this with that on the last date of hearing. Your Lordship,
Otherwise, it will unnecessarily delay. What is the date in those matters? Any idea?
it is coming up next week, I guess.
Next week. So take up with that matter.
Now, my Lord, 30.1 is the other matter where Your Lordship had sent us back to the trial court, to the High Court. There an issue, there were two aspects, my Lord. One, of course, we were challenging the.
Where is 30.1?
One, my Lord, we were challenging the grounds of arrest, saying this that there were various issues in relation to the grounds of arrest, number one. Number two, the more important aspect was, my Lord, that here was a situation where the investigation stood complete, the cognizance had been taken. Post that, this investigation doesn't seem to end at all. Completely being conducted in violation of the tenets which have been laid down by this court, because it's a complaint procedure. As far as the complaint procedure is concerned, even in Vijay Madan Lal Chaudhary, Your Lordship has very categorically.
You do not apply for bail. Or was
that is independent, my Lord. That's a different proceeding altogether. That will pursue.
No, what was the prayer before the High Court?
The grounds of arrest, we sought the quashing of the grounds of arrest.
Just kindly come to one page 417 of the paper. One page.
Wait, I'm
417 of the paper.
No, quash the arrest dated 18 July.
Now see 417 of the
Just to
paper.
believe that it's also.
Now see 417 of the paper book. They arrest me on the ground that I am not cooperating. Not on under 19 where they have to be convinced that I have committed the offence. In non-cooperation, they never send me a notice.
50 have never been summoned.
I have never been summoned. So they arrest me on the ground of non-cooperation, never summoning me, and that is be reflected at page 417. Therefore, we say, how can you arrest me? That's the challenge for us, to the arrest. Apart from the other issues, Maharaj.
417.
Yes, 417.
Para 14.
Yes. Willful non-cooperation were impeding the investigation by not disclosing the facts. They have never called me.
Without calling me.
And they arrest me under 19, which they can't do.
No, but para 13 does not talk of non-cooperation. Look at the allegation.
Yes, correct. Further, you are the son of so-and-so. I am, Maharaj, I can't deny that.
No, that is not the.
As much possible, you're using your power and to reach the power of the money.
These are all speculative.
These are all the allegations, Maharaj. They have to issue me a notice. They have to call me. They have to get my statement under 50 if they so want. But they can't arrest me on the ground that I'm not cooperating without a notice.
No, cooperating is not the only ground, Mr. Sipal. Para 13, thus you should be at least aware of that. What are the grounds on which you have been? They are saying that you.
But these are without basis, Maharaj. Please appreciate. There is no tangible information. These are allegations. I'm not saying no, Maharaj. These are allegations. So your Lordship knows under 19, he can arrest me on the ground that I have committed the offence. If they don't call me.
Para 11 and 12 also contain.
Correct, I know, Maharaj. But the point is, that's not the case. The issue is not that. Issue is non-cooperation. That's number one. Number two, Maharaj, what they do is they file the complaint, and that's the issue of law that I argued last time. They file a complaint, Maharaj, they don't seek the permission of the court, which my learned friend has already mentioned to your Lordships. And this way, Maharaj, the trial never begins because they keep on saying that they are investigating. So they delay the trial and keep me in custody. This is the problem, Maharaj. And the High Court and the order is already in my favor. each conclusion of the High Court is in my favor. So all we want is the notice be issued, Manoj, so that.
My lord, this
can
needs
be-
to be settled because
Yes.
it will be a continuing process without any end to it.
No, but you should be well aware that the reason is only is not of non-cooperation alone. Because then you have to respond to para 11, 12 and 13.
Yes, my lord, we will respond.
Respond.
We'll respond, my lord.
Respond. I'm not saying no.
Lordship, an interesting situation. If I could factually point out one aspect, my lord.
No, which one?
If your lordship sees, they
I have
conduct.
to trace out funds, he said. Well, let's kindly see.
Issue notice returning on constable. Just the.
My lord, could we seek indulgence of a release because of this kind of a
No,
situation?
no.
My lord.
You know,
In the meanwhile.
I told them that this is not vital.
Accept notice on behalf of the.
I would not have said so. I would.
The counter affidavit filed within 10 days.
The bail has been filed, bail has been, response can be taken in bail application. It's been rejected and it's not only on there are several grounds on which it's been rejected.
We are hinting them that they should realize it because para 11,
They
12.
filed the bail, they can
11
challenge
and
the bail
12
order.
are there. More than grounds of arrest is the interpretation of section 190 of BNS.
Yes, that needs to be seen.
How long can you continue with your further investigation and
Supreme Court, my
stall?
lord, Supreme Court, your lordships have said 3 months, your lordship has given time for 3 months to investigate.
No,
In this
this is
very
on a
case,
point of law.
in this very.
This is on a point of law
Lordships
which
have
needs to
given
be
me time to
Your
investigate.
lordships passed an order last time, but let's.
Now kindly have a look at this
Our
order. my lord.
contention.
And the court agrees to the proposition that
Kindly
this is
have a look at
ongoing
this
like
order,
that.
my lord.
Anyway, Mr. Raju.
But this, I'm answering the query of my lord justice.
No, we will not hear in piecemeal. We will file your reply so that we
But-
can consider.
But when this honorable court has granted me time to complete the investigation within 3 months, I'm bound by that order.
That's not the point.
That's the point as far as jail is concerned. I'm answering my right.
Here the question is under 44 or how can you keep doing
And
this?
the statement is recorded in 17, it's not
In a
necessarily that the
complaint
statement
case,
has
they are
been
doing
recorded in
this.
section 50. Statement has been recorded in
Whereas they
this
can't
hearing,
even do it in a
Not
straight
my
case.
statement.
No, statements are recorded, there's evidence against him, but
Then you should have
and
arrested
it's
me on
received
that
in
ground.
Counter affidavit we file within 10 days. Rejoinder if any. Rejoinder stroke additional documents if any may be filed within 5 days thereafter, 4 days thereafter. Post exit after 2 weeks also.
Deeply impressed.
Grateful.
Grateful.
I understand what you felt from my lord, but